Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cara if you're new here, and today's video is going to be a best and worst purchases of 2021. And about my worst purchases, I think in the future I will get more use out of them, but I bought all of these things with the intention of obviously wearing them and using them. However, in 2021 I barely left the house so I guess keep that in mind. So I guess I'll just get into it, but just a disclaimer, I think they could be not worst purchases if I actually left the house in 2021, but I just didn't. So my first worst purchase I guess would be shoes that I bought in 2021 and didn't wear. So the first ones, I actually have worn these one time, and that was last weekend. I wore them to church and I probably shouldn't have because it was raining and they're leather, but I was like, I've had these for so long and I've never worn them and I need to wear them. So they're these Bianco ankle booties, and they have this cool silver detail on the toe. I've worn these one time and I've had them since August and it's November. Along with shoes, I have these little Adidas that are this neutral kind of beige color that I really like. However, I have not worn them yet and I think it's kind of a waste because I haven't worn them, and I got them to replace a pair of shoes that I actually got rid of before I moved here. For anyone who's new, I moved from Michigan to Maine to stop doing long distance with my now fiance, and I live at his parents' house. Anyways, I got these shoes to replace a pair of old ones that I donated and I haven't even worn them yet. So another pair of shoes. My next worst purchase, I feel bad calling it a worst purchase, but I was really excited to get this and I've had it for over a month and I've never used it. And that is my Bottega mini pouch. I did get it with the intention of using it a lot for my wedding and wedding related events, and I think I will use it a lot more in the spring and summer, and I got it in the fall. So I have a whole unboxing video on this bag. If you want to see it, I'll link it. But yeah, I've never used it, therefore I would consider it a worst purchase. But I know I'll use it in the future, but for right now I've never used it. Similarly, it really isn't that bad, but when you consider how expensive it was, I don't wear it every day like I thought I would. It's my Tiffany tea ring. When I got this, I thought I would wear it every single day, and I was wearing it every single day until I got engaged, and then I really liked the way that my engagement ring looked on its own. I kind of stopped wearing this ring, and I still wear it sometimes, I'm wearing it right now. It doesn't really fit on my right hand as well as it fits on my left hand, so I know I'll wear it in the future, and I just need to get used to the fact that I'm engaged. But yeah, anyways, I guess also worst purchases similar to shoes could be clothes I got that I thought I would wear a ton, but I just never left the house. So I'm sure probably anyone watching this video can relate to that. Everyone probably thought they would go out more in 2021 than they did. And if you did go out in 2021 a lot, good for you. But I now live I was about to say boyfriends. I live at my fiance's parents' house and I work from home, and I live in Maine, and I just moved here during the pandemic, so I don't have friends yet. And this is kind of going into best purchases, but when I do leave the house, it's to go to Pottery, and I wear junk clothes and not good shoes. So I guess going into my best purchases, first would be Pottery. I've been really enjoying it and I think I will continue to go. I guess I can show you some things. I'm a beginner. I'm a complete beginner with Pottery. I don't know anything about anything, so keep that in mind. These are all my beginner pieces, and the stuff that I'm working on right now that's still at the studio and stuff is way better than the stuff I'm about to show you. So I made this I don't even know what to call this. It's kind of a mug without a handle, or I don't even know, but I made this guy I made quite a few bud vases. I made this plate. I made a couple of these like sauce things. I like this bowl. I like how this bowl turned out. And I like how I trimmed it. I would say a best purchase would be signing up for Pottery and doing something that I've never done before, leaving the house, trying to meet new people. I think that was something that's really good for me and I should keep doing, even like outside of Pottery. But I don't really know what else I would sign up for, so. Anyways, next best purchase is my Kindle, and this is a Kindle Oasis. I don't know if any of you have heard of Libby, but if you have a library card, definitely see if your library uses Libby if you have a Kindle, because that is how I get all of my library books, and like everything I read, I get it for free through my library straight to my Kindle. I don't have to leave the house, and I've read like everything that I've ever wanted to read through Libby, so it's really amazing. It's a really amazing resource. If you have a Kindle, definitely check to see if your library uses Libby. I know not all libraries do. In Maine, they don't use Libby, which is kind of dumb if you ask me. I know you would be saving even more money if you went to the library and like physically checked out a book, but for me, in my situation, the library here is small, doesn't really have a lot of the books that I want to read. It's far away and it just doesn't really make sense for me right now. So my Kindle has been amazing. I use it every single day. I love it so much, and I know my sister and my dad have the Paperwhite and they really like theirs as well. Like obviously the Oasis is like extra and like you don't need that, but I really do like having this grip on the back, and I really do like the page turn buttons. Whoops. So in case you're wondering what I'm reading right now, I'm reading November 9 by Colleen Hoover. My next best purchase would be the plane tickets that I've gotten to fly from Maine to Michigan and back. I have flown back and forth a few times in 2021, and I'm very thankful that I work from home and I have the ability to do that. And like I mentioned, I do live at my fiance's parents' house and it's not always easy, but I am really grateful that I can fly from here back to my parents' house and spend more time with my family and work from Michigan for a few weeks and then fly back. It's really nice to like kind of split up the time so it's not like every day's the same, especially when you're working from home. Anyways, plane tickets, I'm very thankful for them. My next best purchase, this is so random, but because I work from home and I never leave, I don't wear as much, is this in focus? I don't wear a lot of makeup on the day-to-day, but I wear a lot of I use a lot of chapstick. And if you're like me and you like bougie things, then you should try out this chapstick. I don't know how to say this brand. I don't know, something organics. I'll link it below. I don't know what's in it. It's not like, I think it's like shea butter based or something, but it's long lasting. It's really great. It doesn't have menthol in it or anything. It's not tingly. I have it on right now. It's just like a great everyday chapstick. I use it multiple times a day, and the packaging is metal. It's just like so luxurious for being a chapstick. I don't know, if you are a chapstick fiend like I am, you need to try this chapstick. It's really great. My next best purchase, this, instead of being shoes that I didn't wear, this is the pair of shoes that I probably wore the most, and they're like very dirty, but these are my white platform Supergas that are all leather. They're white leather. I wore these so much. I wore them for like every event that I had to like get like somewhat kind of dressed up for, and by dressed up I mean not wearing leggings or sweatpants. Whenever I had to wear jeans or like jean shorts or anything, I was pretty much always wearing those shoes. I've walked miles in those shoes already. They're really great shoes. And last but not least, one of my best purchases in 2021 has got to be my Lifestyle Toy Lulu. This is the bag that I have used like pretty much every time I leave the house since I got it. And I got this chain strap from Amazon. I have a what's in my bag video showing everything that I keep in this bag. I can also link that below with the Bottega unboxing. I really like this bag. It is a great everyday bag. I love that it's black with black hardware. It's so easy to use and just like goes with everything. Anyways, I'm trying to think of anything else. I know I'm probably missing things. These claw clips I have in my hair, I got in 2021. Definitely a best purchase. I wear them every single day. They were a set of 4 from Amazon. I can link them below. I also realized that I should have mentioned these blue light glasses as a best purchase because I wear them every single day and I love them, and they're so much better than my Amazon ones. These are from Warby Parker and I love them, so would definitely recommend. I think that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below. Let me know what other videos you want to see. I would love to make whatever you guys want to see. Also, shout out to all of the new subscribers. I'm so happy that you guys are here and your support really means so much to me. And thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next one.